Baby food. Hinahanap ko yung baby snacks kasi may nagtanong sa akin. Ito maganda to kasi sobrang konti lang nung ingredients niya. Strawberries, coconut oil, tsaka balsamic vinegar. So, the simpler, the better. So, sabi nila up to 3 eatings. So, okay. Anong brand to? Strawberry Feels Forever. Ganda ng name. Vegan, non-GMO, kosher certified. So, itong brand na to ng Fresh Bellies, mukhang okay. Freeze-dried ingredients. Product of USA, Mexico, and Philippines. So, malamang guys, galing dito yung mangga na to. Pinadala sa States. Binalik dito, binenta sa atin in super expensive. So, alam nyo na kung ano yung local brand niya. Kung nakita nyo yung label na to, yung OU, that's kosher orthodox. It's very Western, North American. Pag may ganong certification, medyo na-overpriced kasi ang mahal-mahal ng certification nila. Hindi mo naman kailangan kasi kosher doesn't mean healthy. It's just kosher. So, well, okay, sige. It's candy. Organic. So, okay naman. But, if you're gonna eat gummy bears, for me, I would rather do gummy multivitamins and eat 1, maybe 3, depending on the size and the age, instead of candy. Because at least you get a little bit of vitamins and nutrients from that versus purely candy, even if it was organic. Okay, so it says crawlers 8 months. Ang daming ingredients, napapraning ako. Sobrang red flag sa akin pag sobrang dami. Pero puro organic. Pero yung sunflower oil, hindi ko gets. I mean, you can educate me because I might be wrong. But if it's not a healthy kind of oil, or if it's not needed, I prefer not to have oils in it. If it's not needed. Especially for babies that age kasi they're setting up their gut microbiome and the lining of their gut is very permeable because it's leaky. So they're still trying to understand which one is friend and foe. So you want to be more concerned when you give snacks to very young kids. May kosher certification na naman, which is not bad, diba? Kung magbabayad ka na rin lang ng product na may certification, pag-certified B Corp ka na lang because it means the brand is sustainable and many other things. I can't give justice to it in a short video. But anyways, certified B Corp is really good. Has nothing to do with the natural organic way of the food, but as a corporation, it means they're very, very aware and sustainable and they care about the environment. Organic squash puree, organic apple puree, concentrate, daming concentrate, contains coconuts. So, still have a lot of ingredients. Grape juice concentrate. So, medyo worrisome yun kasi baka yung grape juice nandun yung sugar. Total sugars 4. So, okay, no to Happy Baby. Let's check the other things that yun yung creamies. Yeah, no. Not what I would recommend, that's for sure. I would go with this. Fresh Bellies. Kahit dairy and gluten-free pa yan, if you feed your kids too much sugar on a daily basis, pwede naman, wag lang masyado. Less than 1. I mean, certified B Corp, pero yeah. Product of Thailand, pero dumaan na sa states and everything. So yeah, it always gets more expensive because it's international brand. So yeah, Happy Baby not my thing, even if it's organic. And USDA organic pa. So sobrang mahal ng certification na yan. But yeah. What I would recommend is Fresh Bellies. Itong all natural, pwede rin. May sugar pa rin eh. Lollipops. Organic elderberry lollipop. Actually, kung maglo-lollipop ka na rin lang, mag-elderberry lollipop ka na lang din. Ang dami na namang ingredients. Ascorbic acid. If I can't pronounce it, I most likely won't buy it. Or unless I'm on an emergency. 8 superfood veggies. No added sugar. Not a fan. Pero sige, total sugars 3 grams per serving of 1 bar. Like imagine it as it is in its purest form, 3 grams.